My name is Harrison Town, and this is my submission for Game Prototyping 1 Submission 2. So here is my load screen, the menu, which has a quit button, which, as you can see, just quits. Then a play button that sends you into the main level. That's my first UI. Then second, a coin counter in the top left, which just adds to 1 when you grab a coin. If I go over here, it says 1 coin. And the crosshair in the middle is just a single thing, it doesn't actually have any types of it, just to show the center of the screen. Then third bit of UI is on when I look at these buttons, so press E to interact. And the fourth is the one at the bottom right, where when you interact with one of these buttons, it says that that light is off. So with that, this light turns off, and it says that the light is off on that. And the same applies for all 4 of those buttons, plus the one in these 2 in this one. Now, as you can see, there's been sound playing the entire time. The background ambience, the footsteps, the coin pickup sound, the door sound, and then more in the next room. So if I go over here, I'll just play it again, coin pickup sound. Then we can do this door. There's an opening sound, closing sound. And then the main bit, once you go through this door, it will detect that I'm outside and switch to outside ambience plus a grass walking sound. So it's not a positive sound, mostly on the metal floors. Go back through, it'll re-enter this. Now for my main menu, here's the code for it. Basically, it just makes sure that the cursor is always not locked and shows when you're on the menu screen, and then when you get into the play screen, the cursor disappears. Then the play button just opens this correct level, which is the one that you just saw. And then the quit button does as it says on the tin, just quits the game. Coin widget, so just like that. Basically just casts to be placing character, and then adds a coin to the add 1 to the value when you pick up a coin. The crosshair is just added to the screen, like I said. The interact one is entirely set up inside my light button, so there's nothing actually done in here. Then widget controls for the bottom right one. Basically, there is a variable in each of those buttons which you can set to a number, which is for light 1 through 6, and these will set it to hidden and visible, while these branches saying true or false, and it will just pretty quickly, because there's only 6 buttons, go through each of these and see which one is the correct one by the switch number variable here. So saying it's equal to switch number, then it will set it to set light indicator on to hidden or visible, depending on if it is on or not. So in here, here's the rest of the code for that. Basically just getting from the widget controls, then the current switch variable set to switch number, and then it just checks using this if that is on or off. Now for the sounds, I'll go first through the ambience. So here's my ambient sounds. There's a variable for if you're outside, which if I go onto my level, is done through a collision box blueprint I placed on this door, consider it's the only exit. This will basically set the variable to if you are outside or not and play the according sounds. This applies for the footsteps too. So if I go back onto here, is outside true, plays the outside ambient sounds, and then if it's not, it plays the inside ambient sounds. Then same with the footsteps, so if your is outside is true, you play the outside footstep sounds with the correct delay, so it won't be like playing like dun 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 dun, it'll be playing like dun 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 dun, which is the beat of the footsteps, 0.3-second delay, and then same for inside footsteps. The rest of my sounds are done the same as this light button one, where they're just put into the code of the blueprint, play sound at location of the specific thing, and it plays the button press sound first one, plays the coin pickup sound and the door sounds. So that is all of my UI and sounds. Thank you for watching.